Hi, today I'm going to practice pronouncing the sound t and d. Let's first t. Tin, pit, ten, get, tan, cat, tot, tot, pot, hot, took, put, top, hot, tea, cheat, tar, tar, card, card, two, tooth, tot, turn, turn, burn, burn, tear, bed, tongue, right, toy, coin, tongue, coat, toad, coat, tear, tear, turn, turn, tour, tour, stick, still, stem, step, stamp, stamp, stop, stop, stock, stock, still, stem, star, star, start, start, stool, stood, smooth, star, star, storm, storm, stay, steak, style, style, storm, stove, let, din, bit, den, mit, dash, cat, does, does, mud, mud, good, dove, mud, deep, sheet, dark, dark, guard, guard, doom, dude, dar, dar, lard, lot, dirt, dirt, world, world, day, it, dime, wine, down, dog, low, dear, dear, bird, bird, there, there. Thank you for listening.